Hi, welcome to FingerNailFixer using the CND shellac and the additives. With this nail, I've done 2 coats of black pool and cured each coat for 2 minutes. We've done a video with color ombre to show you how you can make the nail look like it fades from one color into another. But how about doing a transition from one of the additives that is like an effect? I'm going to use titanium pearl. Back and forth from one of the additives that is a color, and for this I'm going to use the blue pigment. I'm going to put a little bit of each of the additives in the lid to work out of. This helps with portion control. Also, if you should accidentally happen to get some additive mixed together on your brush, it doesn't ruin your dish of additive because you're working out of the jar lid. I'm going to put those up there to make it a little easier for you to see. And I would like to go back and forth between the titanium pearl and the blue additive to make kind of a striped look. So I'm going to add the blue first because the blue is the darker of the two. So I'm going to press the blue in diagonal stripes into the black, and you can see that makes a nice beautiful dark blue. Remember back in either color theory if you are a cosmetologist or kindergarten if you're a nail professional, when we learned that adding white to things makes them lighter and adding black to things makes them darker. Even as grown-up professionals, those things are still true. I've used black to get a deeper shade of the blue. I'm going to now take in the titanium pearl. I've wiped my brush out dry. So I'm still using a dry gel brush, and I'm just pressing the titanium pearl into the leftover black to make the stripes out around the blue stripes. Once you have those pressed in, go ahead and shut the lids to your additive so that you don't accidentally flick the colors into each other. And then we're going to come down the nail, which then blends them together, as well as removing the excess. And as you can see, that blue coming over the titanium pearl when you brush down to blend everything makes that titanium pearl almost look like an ice blue. So then you have a really fun dark blue and ice blue with a little bit of black showing through if you want. If you don't want the black showing through, you could cover it completely with the additive. By leaving it a little bit of ice blue and dark blue, I think it really gives it a winterish element, especially with the black coming through. Or instead of a winter element, you could do a coat of top coat and then come in with some glitters to make the galaxy nails with this as your base. You could put snowflakes up on top of it, you could put stars on top of it, so it could be a winter blue or a cosmic blue, whichever one you wanted to play with. Have fun!